Hello guys, welcome back. So as I told that we are going to add some iron sheets, we did. So this is how it looks now. We had left this side. So this is where we place some iron sheets. Yeah, that's how it looks now. As you can see, it looks good. Yeah, we fixed that space up there. Yeah, it was not fixed, so we'll put mud there, even this side here. So even round the other side also, we added some timber. So even inside here, as you can see this soil here, this one. So they leveled this place in here. It was not level, so they leveled it, but we have still some work to do. So I can see up there, it's all fixed now. Let's go. Even right here, we have already till this place. We're going to put some vegetables here this time round. And the bananas too are doing well. Yeah. Even planted some fruit trees here, like this one. So this is mango tree. And then right here, that one is avocado. Okay. So that's how it looks from this side. So let me go around here, show you what we did on this other side. So we did fix up there also. Yeah. So we fixed up there. There was a very huge space up there, but we did fix it. Yeah. So this right here, we're going to cut this out right here. There is supposed to be a door here and some windows. Window will be here. So I'm planning to put some mud here in a few days time, like 2 or 3 days from now, because the people I told to do that work were a bit busy, so they're going to do it 2 days from now. Yeah. So from distance, that's how it looks like. Yeah. The way that way. So let's go inside and check what we did. Then down here, we fixed this. Let's go in. So you can see how it is fixed. So this is supposed to be the balcony right here. So we're going to put huge windows on that side and another huge window down here next to the main entrance. So even the washroom, the master bedroom washroom is here. We fixed that. So that will be the washroom. So you come from this side and up here, then the master bedroom washroom, and then door, then you go into the master bedroom. So you can see even the space that was running from up here all the way to that end. We already put some iron sheets. From my previous video, you could see this place was empty. There was nothing there. Even here, this place here, there was nothing, no iron sheets. So we placed some iron sheets up there. So this is the sitting room. Then from the sitting room, the kitchen. Then this side we also fixed this. So this washroom is quite large, because it will be shared with this room here and this room here. So these two rooms, these are my kids' bedrooms. So one will be sleeping here, and then other one will be sleeping on this side. They're not large. I think they are about 9 by 9 feet. Even the other one, even this one, I think it's 9 by 9. Yeah. So the master bedroom right there, the one which is 10 by 10. So this will also be used as some kind of storage for the troughs and jerrycans for water. So this is the inside of the kitchen. So the house is still taking shape, slow by slow. Will be there. Yeah. So that's how it looks like. Yeah. And to that point. So we are still working here. Still working. No pressure because I have somewhere I'm staying. So I want to make it better or good. See. So we're going to also fix those spaces there. The one you see up there. Even if from this side, we'll also need to fix up there. Or if not, there's a, you can see clearly, there's a space running from that side, that corner, all the way that way. So I don't know how to fix that space, but I think I'll leave it. I wanted to put some mud up there, but I don't think it'd be a good idea. So maybe I'll leave it that way. Then the ceiling, I put the ceiling here, so that ceiling will cover that place, so it will not be visible. So from the inside, you can see up there the way we fix that way. Yeah. Fix there. So soon it will be done. So even that space up there will fix a facer board that will run from up there, that small space up there, that one. So we'll put a facer board from that place all the way to the end. Not the end actually, because the other one, the other roof is low, so up to here, up there, so that will be feasible, will be running there, because the other side has a small roof, kinda small roof, which was fixed here. So there is like a small roof. So this space here, there is this space, because it's from it's the outside, so I'll put mud up to the end there. So guys, that's all from me today in this video, and keep subscribing and watch this progress, how the house is progressing. So see you next time. Bye.